This is a very beautiful RC helicopter so far. So paliliparin ko siya dito sa bagong sinasabi ko spot. So ito yung parang winglet. Lagi ko nakakalimutan tong isalpak dito, ilagay. So dito ko siya lalagay. Dalas ko siya makalimutan eh. Napakainit na guys. Pero parang siguro mga 6:30 pa lang. Pero napakainit na. Yan, eto. Lagi ko siya nakakalimutan. Huwag nyo kakalimutan to guys, yung parang winglet nyo. Kasi may ano rin siya, may purpose din siya eh. Aside from aesthetic, may purpose din siya eh. Kasi nung time na I wasn't able to put this on, parang the aircraft is flying a bit erratic. Hindi siya ganun ka smooth yung lipad. Siguro it's this winglet here has also some purpose. Anyway, I wanna try retest flight again, review, test flight and review. So this is a new spot, new dumping, nice. Alright. By the way, yung ano nga pala, yung binili kong bagong ano, the new battery I buy is a bit loose, but it won't fall anyway, but it's a bit lost. I mean, yeah, because this is not the stock battery. Anyway, this one is the stock battery. It fits very well talaga because it's really designed for this one. Yeah, of course, controller first and then the aircraft. Of course, you have to place it in a nice and flat ground for the calibration of the gyro, so that it can be able to sense the flat surface so that it can fly stable. Right, I think it's already ready. Right, so second rate. Yeah, nice. I want to try the speed, the full throttle of this RC Era in a bit while. So I'm just going to do some warm-up set. Warm-up set. Then later I will do some speed test. So right now it's a warm-up set muna. Parang ano eh, it's like right, warm-up set. Right now I'm in the second rate, mid level of the speed or in the controller. Right, so wanna try the speed. Right, full throttle in the middle. Oh, nice. Just don't crash. Right, here he come, here she come. Okay, that's a full throttle, full stick forward. Full throttle. No, full speed. Oh, nice. Full speed. I hope you see it, guys. Full speed. Oh, nice. Second rate. Oh, its speed is decent. Nice. I don't want to use the third gear because I'm scared of crashing this one. Full speed. Oh, it's quiet. Masyado mataas. Full speed, that's full speed. Oh, we'll go lower. A bit low. Oh. Yeah. One more. This is a low altitude. Nice. Another one. Another low pass. Yeah. Another one. Just don't crash. Another low pass. Oh, nice. Another low pass. Alright. That's it. Alright. Nice in descent speed. Oh.